Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. I'm coming to you by video to review some of the items you're going to see in your Topic 7 assessment. So let's get ready. First of all, let's remember that an algebraic expression is a number sentence that contains a variable. We would use distributive property. We would multiply 3 times a to get 3a, and 3 times 4 to get positive 12. Now we had some vocabulary terms. Keep in mind that the parts of an expression are the terms. A term could consist of a number, a letter, or a letter and a number multiplied together. This expression has 2 terms. Now, another term we had was coefficient. A coefficient is a number that's next to a letter. Here we have a coefficient of 3. We also had the term constant. A constant is a number in an expression that's just a number by itself. The constant in this expression is 12. So remember, coefficient 3, constant 12. Use distributive property to simplify the expression. Now, we also had the term factor. And factors are 2 things that we multiply together to get a product. In this case, we would be multiplying a number and an expression together. We can factor an expression and simplify the expression by taking out a common factor. In this case, I think of a number that goes into both 16 and 12, and I come up with 4. I put that on the outside of the parentheses. Now I ask myself, 4 times what number gives me 16a? Well, that would be 4 times 4a. 4 times what number gives me 12? Well, that would be 4 times 3 gives me 12. So I rewrite my new expression by factoring out the 4. We also talked about like terms, and we said it's like they're in the same family. They have the same variable, or they are just numbers by themselves. In this expression, 3m plus 2 plus m plus 4, we would first combine the m's. 3m plus 1m is 4m. 2 plus 4 is 6, and there's our new expression. We combined like terms. We can add 2 expressions together, and in this case, it's like we're just taking out the parentheses. We rewrite the first expression, 2a plus 3. Then we say a positive and a positive a will give me plus a. A positive and a negative 2 will give me negative 2. And then I just combine like terms. 2a plus 1a is 3a. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now when we subtract, we have to be careful of the signs. I rewrite that first expression again, 25 plus 3n. Then I say minus a positive 10 gives me negative 10, minus a positive 4n gives me negative 4n. This is the part we have to be careful of. Now we're ready to combine like terms. 25 minus 10 is 15. 3n minus 4n is 1n. So we get 15 minus n. Again, be careful of the signs up here. Negative and a positive gives us negative 10. Negative and a positive gives us negative 4n. Finally, I want to talk about perimeter. We had an example where we were recognizing that the perimeter is a distance around a figure. If we know that the length is x and the width is y, we can add x and y together and then multiply that by 2 in order to get the entire perimeter. And the expression would look like this, 2 times x plus y. Here's a perimeter example. If the length is x plus 2 and the width is x, I would put those expressions in parentheses, x plus 2 plus x, and then multiply everything times 2. Now I use distributive property. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times x is 2x. When we combine like terms, we can put the x's together. 2x plus 2x equals 4x, and then I have 4 that I add here. All right. Good luck. Work hard. Check your answers. I'm here if you need help.